Hello everyone and welcome to a special Boost edition of Beyond the Instructions. In this episode, we're bringing to life the world of Minecraft using the Boost Creative Toolbox. Before we jump into this week's project, let's go over what makes LEGO Boost so cool. The Boost Toolbox is a new high-tech system that lets you create amazing machines while learning how to code. It's got Bluetooth, 3 interactive motors, a sweet color and distance sensor, and the whole thing connects to your tablet or phone. Out of the box, you can build 5 main projects: Vernie the Robot, MTR4, the Auto Builder, Frankie the Cat, and the Guitar 4000. But these first 5 projects are just the beginning. Once you get the hang of coding, you can really create anything. And for this week's episode, we're taking inspiration from Minecraft. In the game, players brew potions to heal or enhance strength, but it takes time. So we're gonna try and build a potion-making robot to speed things up. Step 1 was building a simple base with gray bricks and a bunch of these Technic rack pieces to create a kind of track. Above our base, I built a simple suspension platform and this ingredient hopper that holds 7 common potion ingredients from Minecraft. I then whipped up a bunch of color-coded ingredient blocks and filled up the hopper. To dispense our ingredients, I turned the move hub into a little cart. Next, using more gears and some Lego chain, I built this little ingredient pushrod thing and a motorized bottle holder that slides forward and back. To act as our pretend heat source, I replicated the brew stand from the game. Last but not least, I attached the Boost color sensor here to act as the robot's main interface. Presenting the Brewmatic 5000. Headed to the Nether but forgot your fire resistance potion? No problem. All you have to do is hold up this red brick to the sensor and...
Fire resistance potion confirmed. Ingredients: water, neither wart, apply heat. Magma cream, apply heat. Brewing. Potion complete.
Yes! Thanks to the Boost app, we were able to program our machine to brew the top 5 potions in Minecraft and use accurate in-game ingredients. Yellow for night vision, white for regeneration, green for healing, blue for strength. With all these potions, I'll be invincible!
You know, you can't actually drink these, right?
Yeah, I know, God.
Erik.
Yes, jeez.
Good.
All right, everybody, that wraps up another special edition of Beyond the Instructions. Let us know what crazy project we should build next by leaving a comment below.